If you study the book of Revelation, it's just like climbing a mountain. Parang kang umaakyat ng bundok. If you study the book of Revelation, it's just like climbing a mountain. Parang kang umaakyat ng bundok. You're just climbing a mountain. Okay? So you're climbing a mountain from Revelation chapter 1 to Revelation chapter 11. That's the climbing. That's the climbing. At Revelation chapter 12, that's the peak. Mga kapatid, yan dyan yung peak. So pag ikaw ay nasa chapter 12, okay, nandun ka sa peak. So ang peak ay chapter 12. Now, what about chapter 13 and 14? Chapter 13 and 14 is the explanation of chapter 12. Yung chapter 13 and 14, yan po ay napapaloob sa chapter 12. Kaya pag hindi po natin naunawaan ang chapter 12, if we cannot have a good foundation of chapter 12, we cannot understand fully chapter 13 and chapter 14. So chapter 12 is the peak. Mga kapatid, nandun ka sa taas, nandun ka sa tugatog, nandun ka sa taas ng bundok. Okay, now, yung chapter 15 hanggang chapter 22, yan naman yung pababa ka na ng bundok, mga kapatid. Now, so, makikita natin na if we're on the chapter 12, at kasama na dyan, napapaloob yung 13 and 14 na Revelation, we could see the overview, yung scenario, yung makikita natin, yung lahat, di ba? Pag tayo nasa tugatog, nandun tayo taas ng bundok, nakikita natin, yung parang hindi lamang panoramic view, pero nakikita natin talaga kung ano nakikita natin yung buong scenario. Ganon. So, studying the book of Revelation is that when you study it, we need to understand chapter 12 because we will be missing the point if we cannot understand chapter 12. So, 1 to 11 is just climbing the mountain. 15 to 22 is just going down the mountain. But chapter 12 is the peak. So, we're on the peak. So, ngayong umaga, nandun tayo sa taas ng bundok. Mga kapatid, ako po ay masasabi kong hindi bihasa. Hindi po ako bihasa sa Revelation, pero ako po ay masigasig din nag-aaral at nakikinig at nagbabasa at dito naunawaan ko talagang very important ang chapter 12.